We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to convert the rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates. This is the point, okay, which has coordinates x equals -3 and y equals -2. Okay, we're supposed to draw this phasor over here. We have 1, 2, 3, so I have -3 and I have 1, 2, -2. Okay, so this is my coordinate point, and if I want to draw phasor, I'm supposed to connect the origin with the coordinate point, and this is my phasor, which I call lowercase r. In order to find the length of my phasor, okay, the magnitude, I'm supposed to use Pythagorean theorem, which says r is equal square root, and I have x squared plus y squared. So if r is equal square root, my x is equal -3, so I have -3 to the second power, plus y squared, which is equal -2 to the second power, close parenthesis. And if you are going to plug in these values into the calculator, you're supposed to obtain 3.6. So the magnitude of my phasor is equal 3.6. Other words, this is the length of my phasor. Now we're supposed to find the angle theta. Angle theta is the angle of my phasor which is relative to the positive real axis. So this is my angle theta. Now, because my phasor is in the third quadrant, I'm supposed to use this formula, okay? Theta is equal -180 degrees plus inverse tangent of my coordinates y over x. And this is equal theta -180 degrees plus tangent, inverse of course, y is equal -2 over -3, which is equal -180 degrees plus 33.69 degrees. Okay, and this is equal -146.31 degrees. Okay, so this is my angle. Let's take a look how this formula works. Simply what we did. Please keep in mind that anytime the phasor is going to rotate clockwise, we are going to have negative angle. Okay, so what we did, we simply took -180, okay, and we moved the angle back counterclockwise. That's why we add, okay, and we simply obtain the difference of 180 and this small angle, and this is my angle theta over here. So I can write that my polar form r theta is equal the magnitude, which is equal 3.6, and angle of -146.31 degrees. This is the solution to my problem.